Okay, good morning, good afternoon to some of you and at some other parts of the world. Today I'll be trying to demonstrate for all the followers of this channel how to catch the big moves of gold or any other currency pair or any other financial instruments that may be part of the financial markets. I opened this trade sometime yesterday when the price was around 1763, 1763 USD for gold. So I'll be showing you and demonstrating how I caught this big move. Maybe let us zoom in to see on each one. How did this currency playing? First of all, what is important for each and every one to realize, for you to be able to see how far the currency will go, either for a long or a short. First of all, you have to go to the longer time frame. Maybe let's say weekly. So this is our weekly time frame. If you will realize, maybe let me screen rotate this phone which I'm recording from. You realize this is my analysis. This is an Equisend channel. The way we draw our channels is to identify key support areas that may be going along with our current price from history. So you realize from sometime 2016, 23 October, then you go up to maybe January 2020, then you go up to 13 December 2020, up to where we are today, which is sometime October. But you realize that time when you go to shorter time frames, this price has been loyal to this channel but broke out sometime here, also broke in, went outside and went in. So first of all, you should focus on the longer time frames in order to come up with good entries. Initially, last week you will see that the last candle was a bullish candle, although it got some rejection from on top somewhere here. We got some rejection here. So anyway, the candle closed bullish. So likely, according to price action principles, before a candle takes fully a certain direction, first of all it has to confirm a setup of the previous candle, just like it did. The bullish candle of last week closed above the bearish candle close of the previous week. So likely, what will normally happen when the week begins, we have something like let's go to D1. We got some kind of like here we got some retest on the previous support, and then after that retest on the following day, which is Tuesday, there was a bullish candle which went above. So this Monday candle, or the previous candle before the current bull, was rejected and closed somewhere above the previous support, which is somewhere here. The strongest support was somewhere here, so it closed above. So likely it is an indication that the following candle will be bullish. So on longer time frames, that is how you check what is likely to. Then let's go to H4. When you get to H4, I'm not sure if my network is as fast as. When you get to H4, you'll see along that rejection zone here, somewhere here, we had two bullish candles which formed, and then we had a retest. Then we have all these three candles that were going on high. So that is how I caught the gold long, and currently it is still rising. So from this pair alone, I kind of raised something like maybe let's check how much. I'm around 32k in USD. I only opened the lot size of 0.22. So you realize when you get to maybe 15 minutes, the pair is still getting some bias up. So what is important is to check for the price action of longer time frames. Normally determine the movement on smaller time frames. So maybe let's go to H1 and I show you something. When you get to H1, you'll realize that we have some form of a triple bottom. This is the first leg, the second leg, and the fourth leg. The first shoulder, the head, it's an inverted head and shoulders. So normally when we have our inverted head and shoulders, a candle that will form from that last shoulder is normally the one that is leading to the bulls, as it did yesterday. So you realize from here, okay, no, I didn't want to do. You realize that after this breakout here, then we had our bulls which were running up. So from a weekly perspective, we are still yet to go high. We are still yet to rush somewhere. Let me check. We are still going somewhere. So in a long run, gold is going up back to the 1900s and above in a long run. But it will take time for it to reach there. But in a way, you never know. Gold sometimes moves very fast. You can see some candles are long, but we'll see what will play out. But currently, gold is bullish, and even people who will buy either today, it will still play around, but it is still going high and high and high and high. So guys, thank you for watching this channel. As I explained some price action principles which made me to buy gold, kindly subscribe from the link below, and if you want some mentorship or some one-to-one personal guidelines, you can just write to my email, which is part of this YouTube channel, and then I'll respond from there. And if you want recommended brokers, I will try and on my caption attach them from below. Subscribe so that you may follow up with our next YouTube channel, our next YouTube videos to come. Enjoy your week. That is a good gold signal. It's still going high. You can still catch it from now. It's still going up. In a long run, it will run up. That's a good signal. Bye, guys.